Hi boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to do the breaking apart strategy so that if you forget, you can watch this video to refresh your memory. This is a great strategy for breaking apart harder multiplication problems. Once we learn 2-digit times 2-digit multiplication, you'll be able to use this then, and even for 3-digit multiplication and even larger. It's a strategy that you will be able to use for the rest of your life. It's one way to multiply. So, 8 times 7 is a tricky one. Sometimes kids forget 8 times 7. 8s can be hard and 7s can be hard. So let's break it apart. I'm going to break apart the 7. You could break apart the 8 also, but I'm going to break apart the 7 into 5 and 2 because 5 and 2 make 7. So I'm going to cross out the 7. Instead of 8 times 7, now I'm thinking 8 times 5, and I'm thinking 8 times 2. Here's how I'm going to write it. 8 times 5 and 8 times 2. We're just doing two smaller problems instead of one big problem. And then I'm going to add those together. 8 times 5 is 40. I can count by 5s and stop when I get to 8 5s. And 8 times 2 is 16. I can sing my 2 sequence count song and stop when I get to 8 2s. 40 plus 16, I can do that in my head using mental math. I can think 40 plus 10 is 50, and 6 more would be 56. Or I can write it up and down like this, and I can solve it. So, 8 times 7 is 56. Breaking apart just means you're picking one number, breaking it apart into two smaller numbers, and doing two little multiplication problems instead of one big multiplication problem. I hope this helped. Bye!